Harvey was a phenomenal storm meteorologically that devastated the Gulf Coast states. What would eventually become Harvey formed as a cluster of thunderstorms on August 12th of 2017. In the coming days, it evolved to a tropical depression, then a tropical storm, and briefly weakened back to a tropical low in the Caribbean Sea. The system re-emerged in the Gulf of Mexico and exploded, rapidly intensifying to a Category 4 major hurricane by August 25th. The same day, it made its first landfall along the outer islands of central coastal Texas. Harvey made its second landfall just hours later on the mainland of the Texas coast, and within 12 hours weakened to a tropical storm, but not before 15,000 homes were destroyed and 25,000 homes were damaged. After losing most tropical characteristics, Harvey continued to haunt the western Gulf Coast states when it re-emerged over the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico, re-strengthened into a tropical storm, and made its third and final landfall along the western Louisiana coastline. Within a 5-day period, Harvey wreaked havoc in Texas and Louisiana. More than 50 tornadoes were confirmed as Harvey's remnants moved inland, most of which were rated EF0 to EF1 in strength. Harvey also brought the most significant rainfall in U.S. history from a tropical system to Nederland, Texas, where they picked up a whopping 60.58 inches of rain. Additionally, there were 18 official reporting stations in southeastern Texas that picked up over 4 feet of rain in just under 2 days. Over 300,000 homes were flooded, and more than 500,000 cars were flooded, which led to the more than 30,000 water rescues that were performed. 336,000 customers lost power, and 68 deaths were directly related to Harvey. Remarkably, none of which were from the 6 to 10 foot storm surge that struck coastal Texas. Total damage estimates average $125 billion, but are possibly as high as $160 billion. Harvey dissipated 21 days after originating in the Atlantic over Kentucky on September 1st of 2017. For Weather Nation, I'm meteorologist Andy Stein.